everybody, it's Kathleen from COZ Creations, and I am coming at you from my living room, and my man is back there with my cue cards and all the things that I need. He's waving hello. Anyways, I am so excited. It is our 5,500 subscriber giveaway, and we have printed off everybody's names who won a golden ticket for getting their answers correct. And honey, I need the cue cards for number one. Everybody's name that is going into the hat is Julia E, V Briggy Girl, Patty Puckett, Maria La Serva, Chrissy Francis, Becky A, Diane Fist.
Wrist.
What is it?
Wrist.
Okay, Diane what?
Wrist.
Wrist. I'm sorry, Diane Wrist, Deborah Richmond, Deborah Van Stratum, Jennifer Steffenrich, Sophia in Oregon, Sharon Joyner Griffin. Hang on, guys. I need to put my glasses on. Sharon Joyner Griffin, Rebecca D. Hansen, Linda Belbeck. Next page, babe. Surfeit, which is Everett Burge or Burge or Burge. Surfman, forgive me, I don't know how to say your last name. Shauna Pester and Melanie Hudspeth. So everybody's name has been printed off and put into this handy dandy hat here. So I'm going to review the questions that were asked. Okay, honey, cue cards number 2. Video number 1. Whose beautiful art did I display? The answer to that was Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I'm waiting for Rick to turn the page. What did I call, or what do I call my studio? You all know this. It's the no bra zone. What is the low carb for food that I refer to? It's noodling. Video number 2. Whose beautiful art did I display to the right of me? It was Sweet Heather Mater. My favorite paint, Iridescent Pearl by Golden. My dog's name, Foster Mojo Bean. Bless his heart. Hang on, baby. Come here, Momo. Come over here and say hello. I want you guys to see my little man. Come here, buddy. This is the Foster Mojo Bean, and I love him so very much. He's a sweet little boy. He was blind 2 years ago, and we got him new eyeballs, and he was very, very grateful. So this is the Foster Mojo Bean. Now, the other question that a lot of people had a little bit of issue with was the musician that I listened to, who is also an artist, and it pings my heart, Sweet Dan Fogelberg, who is no longer with us anymore. What do I call my man? I call him several things. He's my best friend, but mostly he's my handy dandy Rick, or sometimes I call him my Ricardo. So those are the questions that I asked, and the people who got all the questions right are in my little beach hat that I wear, and this is how it's going to work. I am going to pick one name, and that person is allowed to pick one of several pieces of art that I have done. And guys, I'm so excited, and I'm so very, very grateful for each and every one of you, and I wish that what, babe?
I'm going to cover your eyes while you're picking.
Okay. I wish that I could give one of my arts to each and every one of you. I do, because I'm just so happy that you are all always here. And I'm going to pick up and I'm going to show you the art that the winner can pick. And honey, I want you to pick his name or her name.
Hold the hat.
Okay, Rick's going to hold the hat. You might be off camera. Shake it up, babe. He's shaking it up. Guys, I just got off an airplane from Virginia, and it's so good to be back in my happy place. I haven't painted in 4 days, and I'm excited to be home. So Rick is going to cover my eyes, and in the hat is everybody's name. And let's mix it up a little bit more. And the person whose name who wins the art is, oh my gosh, I'm very happy about that. Surfman, Surf It, Everett Birch, honey, how do you say that? Birch?
Birch.
Everett Birch, Surfman, one of my biggest fans, one of the sweetest men out there. Surfman, you have won the painting of your choice. Honey, put Surfman's name away. And this is what you have to choose from. This is from video 1. Now, this has not been varnished yet, so Surfman, Everett, you're allowed to pick whatever varnish it is that you want, a low sheen, a high sheen, or whatever. Or from video number 2, I love this, my dove. Video number 2, once again, it has not been finished or varnished. I just got back into town. Or from video number 3, my Courtney Hauscher swipe, which I'm very, very proud of. So you can have that. Or from my varnishing video, you can have this little guy, or I'm losing my microphone. This little guy, which is one of my favorite swipes, which is already varnished in a high gloss. Or you can have my practice board from my spoon art. So Surf, you got to reach out to me and let me know which one of these you would enjoy having in your home. Now, I'm going to pick another name, guys, because so many of you work so hard to get your answers right. So many of you are always here. And as you know, I'm beyond grateful. For Rick, flip those names around and come on back, and whatever Surfman doesn't pick, you guys are welcome to have. So the name of the second winner on the 5,500 giveaway is Deborah Wickman. Congratulations, Deborah. Congratulations to Everett, to Surf It. And Deborah, I'll let you know what Surfman picks, and then whatever he doesn't, you're welcome to let me know. And Rick will make a handy dandy man frame for it, and we'll ship it off to you. And guys, thank you so much for being here. I am eternally grateful and happy, and this has just been a blast. I hope you guys have had as much fun as I have. Thank you all. See you soon. Happy evening, happy painting to all. Bye, guys.